Alright, I don't know how much of that you can see, but I just shoveled a path to the barn. And I got some work to do on the plow before I start plowing, so I'm going to leave for now and I'll be back. Hang in there. Alright, I didn't get that last plow there, but anyway, this is what I plowed. And this is my wraparound driveway. And I'll get some video of me plowing up around here, down to the driveway. And give you an idea what that's like. Alright. Now we got one swipe in here. I'll see if I can get a shot of me getting this down here. Okay. I hate to disturb this beautiful snow, but that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure where I want to go to video, but I'll be back. Alright, gotta make another pass here, and it's plowing nice. It's not a real heavy snow, so let me get another pass on this, and I don't know, maybe I can get video from up here. Alright, so much for the driveway plowing. I got 90% of it. I might hit it a little more up close to the garage. I'll have to get that better. But other than that, as you can see, I don't know if it's showing up or not. It's white on white, but you know, the driveway's plowed. We had a total of 8 inches officially at my house. So anyway, we haven't had this much snow. It's been 2 years since we've had a snow like this. Last year I never even got the plow out. There was no need for it. We didn't have any more than 2 inches of snow at one time. And I think it was only one time, maybe 2, but that was about it. But anyway, that's going to do it for now. I'm not going to show the rest of this, just cleaning up stuff. But you get the gist of it. It's, you know, what a difference those new tires make on the mule. Wow. They really grab. I'm not spinning like I was before. I don't even have weight in there. There's no weight in the bed. And I wasn't even spinning, I don't think. But hey, it pushed right through. Now, it's not a heavy wet snow. It's a powdery type snow. But nevertheless, it did a good job. And well, you can see the snow on the roof. It's pretty. That's the one thing. When it first snows, it's pretty, but after that, it's a nuisance. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Appreciate everybody watching. And by the way, this is January the 20th, and 2025. And today is the day our great new president gets sworn in, and we can start getting our country back the way it used to be, hopefully. And I really think, I have faith that he's going to do it, or at least attempt to. I don't know if 4 years is enough, but hopefully, I trust the man. I think what he promised he'll act on, and he'll do. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And if you would please subscribe, hit the like button. By the way, when you see this, it's going to be probably like a week and a half after the storm hit. So anyway, that's just the way it goes. You know, that's how far ahead I am with some videos. But okay, if you would please subscribe, help my channel, and hit the like button, and we'll catch you all in the next video.